Hello students, welcome to today's mathematics class. Our topic is sequences and series. This chapter helps us understand how numbers are arranged and how their sums behave. Let's begin step by step. A sequence is an arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to a certain rule. We usually write it as a 1, a 2, a 3, and so on up to an. The term an is called the nth term or general term. A sequence can be of two types: finite sequence, which has a limited number of terms, and infinite sequence, which continues endlessly.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, how can we find the rule of a sequence?
Good question. We find the rule by observing how each term changes from the previous one. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, here every term increases by 2, so the rule is add to each time. If we have 2, 4, 8, 16, each term is multiplied by 2, so the rule is multiply by 2 each time. Now, when we add the terms of a sequence, we get a series. For example, the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 becomes the series 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. If the number of terms is limited, we call it a finite series. If it continues without an end, we call it an infinite series. When the terms of a sequence follow a specific pattern or formula, it is called a progression. There are three main types of progressions: arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression. Today we'll learn the first one, arithmetic progression, commonly called AP. A sequence is said to be in arithmetic progression if the difference between any two consecutive terms is always the same. That constant difference is called the common difference, written as D. If the first term is A, then the sequence can be written as A plus D, a plus 2D, a plus 3D, and so on. The nth term of an AP is given by the formula Tm equals a plus n minus 1 into D. This means take the first term A and add n minus 1 times the common difference D. Now let's learn how to find the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. The formula is Sn equals n divided by 2 multiplied by 2 a plus n minus 1 into D. If the last term, called L, is already known, then the sum can also be found using another formula, Sn equals n divided by 2 multiplied by A plus L.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, what does nth term from the end mean?
Good question. If the last term is L and you want to find the nth term from the end, then the formula becomes T equals L minus n minus 1 into D. It helps us find the term counted backward from the last term. Let's solve a few examples. Example 1. Find the 50th term of the arithmetic progression 3, 7, 11, and so on. Here, the first term A equals 3 and the common difference D equals 4. T50 equals a plus 50 minus 1 into D, which means 3 plus 49 into 4 equals 199. Example 2. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression 2, 5, 8, and so on. Here A equals 2, D equals 3, and N equals 20. Sn equals n divided by 2 multiplied by 2 a plus n minus 1 into D. So, 20 divided by 2 is 10. Inside the bracket, we have 2a equals 4 and n minus 1 into D equals 57. So, 10 multiplied by 61 gives 610. Therefore, the sum of the first 20 terms is 610. Example 3. The fifth term of an arithmetic progression is 22 and the 15th term is 62. We can write a plus 4D equals 22 and a plus 14D equals 62. Subtracting the two equations gives 10d equals 40, so d equals 4. Now put the value of d in the first equation. I equals 22 minus 16, which is 6. Hence, the first term is 6 and the common difference is 4. So students, today we learned the meaning of a sequence and a series, understood what a progression is, and studied in detail the arithmetic progression, its general term, sum of terms, and practical examples. In the next part, we'll continue with geometric progression, harmonic progression, and some special types of series. Thank you for your attention and keep practicing. Jai Hind!